What is going on, Lucid fans? Welcome back to Financial Journey. So today I want to talk about several different things. Why Lucid's going down, a huge catalyst that just came out for Lucid, and not only that, but whether there's going to be a tail end of the year rally for Lucid or not. But before getting to any of that, you guys know the deal. Smash a thumbs up. Definitely helps my channel significantly. For those that are new to the channel, I do daily videos on trending stocks, crypto. I do it all, so definitely subscribe. If you do like my channel and support the growth, take a look at my memberships, link in the description below, or just hit the join button at the bottom screen. Greatly appreciate that. And one final thing I do want to bring up, there is a new broker $0 commission massive promo going on right now, only up until Christmas. And as you can see, you can get up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. All you have to do, open up an account, you get 1 free stock, deposit any amount, you get another free one, and deposit $2,000 or more, and you get an additional 3 stocks. Very advantageous. Link in the description below. Once you do sign up, let me know in the comments below what stocks you actually did receive. With that said, let's get right into it. So first and foremost, I just want to talk on why the whole broader market, not just Lucid, is selling off. And that is because of this. Joe Manchin. So Biden did have a plan, Build Back Better. And for those that don't know, it does look like it is a very good universal program that does help the middle class. When it comes down to it, that's one thing that Biden definitely does like to do, is help the middle class, which nothing wrong with that. That definitely helps the broader market, because we all know as Lucid investors that the infrastructure bill definitely helped Lucid significantly and other EVs as well. And when it comes to this is more for the broader market as well, as is the infrastructure bill, but more so for this. But it does look like this was knocked down. So this is one reason why the broader market is selling off. In reality, nothing wrong with Lucid. This is why I've been saying for quite some time, Lucid is one of those stocks that you need to buy the dip, continuously do so, because they haven't done anything fundamentally wrong as of yet to discourage us from investing in them. Right now, this is just considered a discount. So with that, I want to talk about the 2 catalysts that just came out as well. So you can see CFRA put a buy rating, which they already did. They reiterated that with a target price of $65. And secondly, there was another analyst that did put a recommendation, at least put a hold on it. So again, that's not too bad, putting a hold on it. They didn't put a price target though. So you can see this was done at $7.25. So 2 analysts did actually review Lucid, and that's one good thing that Lucid's always wanted. Keep in mind as well, we are fairly new as far as the grand scheme of things, as far as production and getting out there. And just showing you this as far as Tesla. So they have 9 sells, 10 holds, and 9 buys. So a fairly substantial amount of actual analysts looking into Tesla. That's one thing that Lucid is going to have in the next couple of years, a lot more analysts reviewing it. And so before I talk about the year-end rally that may or may not come and the reasons behind that, I do want to keep in line and talk about analysts still. And again, this is more for a comedic kind of point of view, but again, he is technically still an analyst, Jim Cramer, and he really loves Lucid one way or another. He flip-flops all the time. I find it very hard to actually understand where his points of view is. Jim Cramer's most favorable tech stocks to buy now. And guess what? Lucid is here. So that's kind of funny at the end of the day. So Lucid is one of his most favorable stocks to buy now. So this, I don't know why. If this doesn't prompt a investigation into him, I don't know what will. Because again, if you are a big Lucid fan and you know what he's been doing, he said Lucid is in a bubble. So he said that right here when things were starting to gain a lot of momentum. And as you can see, look at what happened. There's other circumstances that aided in this downfall right now, but still, you can't just say there's a bubble literally less than a month ago and say right now this is one of your most favorable stocks to buy now. Like, what are you thinking? Like, that does not make any sense whatsoever. It's kind of comedic. I just want to bring that out there as far as a analyst kind of view. But with that, I do want to transition and talk about a year-end rally. And JP Morgan does predict that there's going to be a short squeeze rally at the end of the year. In this article, it does go on to say that a lot of shorts have been entering not just in Lucid, but the broader market. And we have seen that right now. So as you can see, 16.69 is a short interest on Lucid, which is a 20% increase from 1 week ago. Utilization is 96.76, and a day-by-day change, it did increase by 5.63%, which works out to be 5.71 million additional shares being shorted. And I just want to show you this right now. So as you can see on this chart right here, I'll even take rid of the price. This is the short interest. So in reality, this is where JP Morgan is coming from. They're saying that a lot of stocks, again, not necessarily just Lucid, but the broader market does have a lot of shorts physically getting in. And as you can tell, it went up significantly. It was roughly around 7%, but now it is currently at roughly about 17%. So a big increase in shorts entering into Lucid, just that alone. So they do say that right now, given the circumstances, it does anticipate that there's going to be a short squeeze at the end of the year, which is very beneficial for Lucid, because keep in mind, I've been saying for quite some time that Lucid, I bring up short interest not because there is going to be a short squeeze, but because these individuals are countering to what we actually believe in. And keep in mind, regardless of what has happened over the last little bit, nothing fundamentally has changed about Lucid. So this is why there's a thought about potentially a short squeeze from actually occurring, because again, nothing has changed with Lucid, but shorts have been just continuously entering. So this is where a potential rally might actually occur at the end of the year. Again, it's one of those things that JP Morgan has caused a lot of hype when it comes to that. And for those that do watch AMC, which is the iconic short squeeze capability stock out there, that did go up roughly about 20% on Friday. So there is some merit and could cause a short squeeze. All it'll take is a little bit of good news. And one thing that we do have as far as Lucid investors, a good news coming up is deliveries. So all it'll take is them coming out with a tweet saying, you know what, we did 1,000 deliveries in 2021, well above the 520 expectations. Well, that would definitely cause a short squeeze in my opinion, at least a short-term one. Regardless of how it is, it might bring it back down to 7%, but there is a lot of upside. So if you do believe in the short squeeze, let me know in the comments below. Like I said, the broader market is selling off in my opinion as well. This is more just going to be a short-term noise. Nothing fundamentally wrong with Lucid in the grand scheme of things. Let me know your thoughts on Lucid in the comments below, and whether you've been buying. If you bought the dip again, let me know. If you haven't already, smash a thumbs up and subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. If you do like my channel and support the growth, take a look at my memberships, link in the description below, or just hit the join button at the bottom screen. Greatly appreciate that. With all that said, appreciate you guys watching, and let's all make as much money as possible on Lucid.